Finding a Samsung tablet that actually fits your life can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Whether you need something simple for streaming your favorite shows or a powerhouse that doubles as a laptop, the right tablet makes all the difference. We've done the research and found 5 Samsung tablets that deliver real value across different price points and use cases. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we cut through the noise to help you find tech that actually works for you. All the product links are in the description with the best prices we could find, so stick around. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite brings premium features to an accessible price point. Inside the sleek aluminum design sits an Exynos 1380 processor that handles split-screen multitasking without breaking a sweat. The standout feature here is the included S Pen that never needs charging, offering the same precise writing experience you'd get on tablets costing twice as much. Circle to Search lets you instantly look up anything on your screen, while Math Solver turns handwritten equations into answers right in Samsung Notes. Vision Booster technology adjusts the display brightness automatically, and the anti-blue light coating reduces eye strain during those long study sessions. With expandable storage up to 2 terabytes via micro SD card and Samsung DeX support for a desktop-like experience, this tablet punches well above its weight class. The 8,000 mAh battery delivers up to 16 hours of video playback, though the 25-watt charging is admittedly slower than we'd like. Best for students and casual creatives because you get genuine productivity features like the S Pen and AI tools without paying flagship prices. When you need a big screen for family movie nights without emptying your wallet, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus delivers exactly that. The 11-inch display pairs with 4 Dolby Atmos speakers that create surprisingly immersive sound for streaming shows and music. The Snapdragon 695 processor keeps things running smoothly for everyday tasks like web browsing, video calls, and light gaming. One feature we really appreciate is the headphone jack, which seems simple but becomes essential when multiple family members want to watch different content. Optional 5G connectivity means you can stay connected during road trips or at the park. The 7,040 mAh battery comfortably lasts through a full day of mixed use, and the slim metal design feels more premium than the price suggests. Samsung's commitment to software updates means this budget-friendly tablet stays secure and functional for years to come. The main limitation is the lack of S Pen support, so note-taking enthusiasts should look elsewhere. Best for families on a budget because it prioritizes entertainment essentials like a large screen and quality speakers without unnecessary extras. Think of the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus as the Goldilocks of Samsung tablets. Not too basic, not too expensive, just right for most people. The newly upgraded MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor delivers 26% faster CPU performance and 83% faster graphics compared to its predecessor. That translates to smoother gaming sessions and snappier app switching. The 90 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling feel fluid, and the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos create room-filling sound quality. You're getting 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage in the upgraded model, plus expandable storage up to 2 TB. Samsung's 7-year commitment to Android updates is remarkable at this price point, ensuring your tablet stays current with security patches and new features through the end of the decade. Google Gemini integration provides on-the-spot AI assistance by sharing your camera view or screen. The 7,040 mAh battery supports 25-watt superfast charging, getting you back to full power significantly faster than previous models. While the 1200p resolution shows individual pixels on close inspection and the display lacks HDR capabilities, it's perfectly adequate for everyday streaming and browsing. Best for everyday users seeking reliable, all-around performance because it balances capable specs with long-term software support at a practical price. Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Check the description below for links to all these tablets at the best prices available. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE earns its Fan Edition title by packing features students actually use into a form factor that survives campus life. The IP68 water and dust resistance means accidental spills and rainy commutes won't spell disaster. The included S Pen with Bluetooth functionality works seamlessly with Samsung Notes, where Handwriting Assist cleans up messy notes and Math Solver tackles complex equations without switching apps. The Exynos 1580 processor handles research papers in split-screen view alongside video lectures without lag. The 10.9-inch display features Vision Booster technology that maintains clarity in bright lecture halls or outdoor study spots, pushing up to 800 nits of brightness. minutes. Battery life exceeds a full day of classes and study sessions, while 25-watt charging gets you back to 100% during lunch breaks. Circle to Search with Google lets you instantly look up unfamiliar concepts by circling text or images. The fingerprint sensor built into the power button provides quick, secure access to your work. You're missing the dual rear cameras of the pricier S11 models. And Samsung DeX only works on the tablet screen itself rather than external monitors. Best for students because the S Pen, AI-powered study tools, and rugged water-resistant support academic workflows from freshman orientation through graduation. At the top of Samsung's tablet lineup sits the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and this powerhouse justifies its flagship status with features that redefine mobile productivity. The massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display delivers breathtaking clarity with 1,600 nits of peak brightness and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate that makes every swipe and scroll feel effortless. MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus processor is a 3-nanometer powerhouse that rivals the latest Snapdragon chips, handling intensive creative work, multiple apps and split screen, and demanding games without thermal throttling. The redesigned hexagon-shaped S Pen attaches magnetically to the side for convenient access and works perfectly for digital art in apps like Clip Studio Paint or detailed annotations in GoodNotes. 4 AKG-tuned speakers create a rich soundstage with excellent separation, making this tablet genuinely enjoyable for music production and video editing. The 11,600 mAh battery delivers up to 23 hours of video playback, easily lasting through cross-country flights or marathon work sessions. Samsung's 7-year update commitment means this investment stays current through multiple device upgrade cycles. The anti-reflective coating minimizes glare when working outdoors or near windows. The removal of on-device Samsung DeX in favor of the new workspace mode is controversial, as it requires an external monitor for traditional desktop functionality. Best for creative professionals and power users because the enormous OLED screen, desktop-class processor, and comprehensive S Pen integration turn this tablet into a legitimate laptop alternative. Whether you're looking for an affordable family tablet or a flagship powerhouse that replaces your laptop, Samsung's lineup has something that genuinely fits your needs. The best choice depends on how you'll actually use it. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you narrow down your options, and subscribe to Top Tech Now for more honest tech reviews that help you buy smarter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.